Welcome to TechMaster. Hello and welcome to our video on engineering in the field of manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process of creating products or goods by transforming raw materials into finished products using machinery and other equipment. Engineering plays a crucial role in manufacturing in terms of designing, developing, and maintaining the various systems and equipment used in the production process. In this video, we will look at the different types of engineering roles in manufacturing, the skills required for these roles, and the impact of technology on the industry. Firstly, let's look at the different types of engineering roles in manufacturing. Mechanical engineers are involved in designing, testing, and maintaining machinery and other mechanical systems. They are responsible for ensuring that the equipment used in manufacturing functions effectively and efficiently. Civil engineers are involved in the design and maintenance of buildings and infrastructure used in the manufacturing process. They play a critical role in ensuring that the various systems and structures used in manufacturing are safe and functional. Electrical engineers are responsible for designing and maintaining electrical systems used in manufacturing. They ensure that the systems used in manufacturing operate safely and effectively. Chemical engineers play a critical role in the development of new materials and processes for manufacturing. They are responsible for developing chemical processes and technologies to convert raw materials into finished products. Now, let's discuss the skills required for these roles. Engineering roles in manufacturing require a strong understanding of mathematics, physics, and technology. A degree in mechanical, electrical, or chemical engineering is typically required for these roles. Additionally, communication skills, problem-solving skills, and the ability to work well in a team are also essential. Finally, let's talk about the impact of technology on the manufacturing industry. Technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry, making it faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective. Automation and robotics have enabled manufacturers to automate many processes that were once done by hand, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. In conclusion, engineering plays a critical role in the field of manufacturing. Engineers are responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining the various systems and equipment used in the production process. They require a strong understanding of mathematics, physics, and technology, as well as excellent communication and problem-solving skills. Technology has had a significant impact on the manufacturing industry, making it faster, more efficient, and cost-effective. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.